Very good morning, class 6 students. You are again with Mitali Bhardwaj, and we will discuss the rest part and the last part of our chapter number 1, that is food. Where does it come from? In this picture, you can see there are lots of animals, and from this, you can guess what we are about to discuss in this video. So, let me tell you. We are about to discuss how the animal and their products serve as the food for we the human beings. Although this is a yuck picture, but what can we do? These are those animal products which serve as the food material for we the human beings. Here is the most important and the most crucial food material which we get from the animals. It is the milk. We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat, and some areas we get milk from camel also. Next, egg, we get it from hen and duck. Flesh means meat or chicken. We get it from goat, chicken, and in some areas we get it from camel also. Itself milk can made many other food product which we take, that is butter, cream, cheese and curd. All these can be made from milk itself, and milk we get it from animal, so milk is an animal product. Next, the most important, honey is also an animal product and we get it from honeybee. Here is a list in which we will study what kind of product we get from respective animals. From hen we get eggs, from cow milk, meat, butter, cheese, from goat milk, meat, cheese, from fish we get fish obviously, and from bee we get honey. So now what we will do? We will classify the animals on the basis of their food habits, what actually they eat. So there are three categories. First is herbivores. Herbivores are those animals which eat only plants. For an example, elephant, cow, buffalo, goat, etc. Next is carnivores. Carnivores are those animals which eat the flesh of other animals, or we can say the wild animals are considered as carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, deer, wolf, zebra, bear, etc. Next, omnivores. Omnivores are those animals which eat both plants and fish. For an example, human beings also. Here is a tabular form differentiation in between herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. You can see the examples. Herbivores, buffaloes, cow, deer, horses. Next, carnivore, lion, tiger, wolves, etc. Next, omnivore, human beings are omnivores, bears, crows, cockroaches, etc. Next, the last and the important topic, scavengers and decomposers. Have you ever heard about these two terms? No. Maybe. Okay, let me tell you. So, scavengers are those living organisms which, instead of hurting the other animals, they eat the flesh of other animals which are already dead. For an example, vulture. Vulture is an example of scavengers. And let's come to the decomposers. Decomposers are those living organisms which are used to clean the environment. Now you are thinking, clean in which manner? So decomposers, we can say, are those living organisms which already eat the living organisms which are dead, and in that way they are used to clean the environment. Their examples are fungi, bacteria, etc. So let's have the recap. Plants and animals are the major sources, as you know. For example, we obtain rice, wheat pulses from the plants. Food like milk, curd, butter, etc. are we get from the animals. Honeybees, they are also called the animal product, and they suck the nectar from the plants, which further is converted into honey. The food we eat comes from different sources. As you know, plant and animal are the major sources. We eat different parts of the plant like roots, stem, leaves, flower, seeds, etc. as our food. More than one part of the same plant can also be eaten as food. For an example, mustard seeds and mustard leaves, both these are the two parts of the same plant. For example, both seeds and leaves of mustard flower are consumed as food, as I have told you. So, it's all about today. The chapter number 1 of your science book is completed now. You just studied thoroughly, and we will meet in the next video with our chapter number 2. Till then, you just take care of yourself. Thank you.